Hello folks, welcome to our plumbing course. In this introductory lesson, we'll explore the basics of plumbing, its importance, and what you can expect to learn throughout this course. Hence, what is plumbing? Plumbing is the system of pipes, fixtures, and appliances installed in a building to distribute water and gas and to remove waste. It's an essential part of modern life, and a well-functioning plumbing system is crucial for our health, safety, and comfort. Plumbers are skilled professionals who install, maintain, and repair plumbing systems. They work on a wide range of tasks, from fixing leaky faucets to designing and installing complex piping systems. Throughout this course, we'll cover the fundamentals of plumbing, including the tools and equipment used, the different types of piping materials, and the various fixtures and appliances that make up a plumbing system. We'll also explore the importance of plumbing codes and regulations and how they impact the work of plumbers. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of the principles and practices of plumbing and be well prepared to pursue a career in this rewarding trade. So let's get started. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the history of plumbing and explore the development of modern plumbing systems. In this our comprehensive module on essential skills for professional plumbers. In this lesson, you will gain a detailed understanding of the core competences that every plumber needs to succeed in the field. Our focus will be on practical skills, safety measures, and effective communication techniques required in everyday plumbing tasks. Whether you're a novice or an experienced plumber looking to refresh your skills, this module is designed to offer valuable insights. 1. Understanding plumbing systems. Plumbing systems encompass a wide range of components, from pipes and fittings to water heaters and drainage systems. To start, let's explore the basic structure of residential and commercial plumbing systems.
Water supply system. Learn about the main water supply line and how it connects to the internal plumbing network. Understand different pipe materials such as PVC, copper, and PEX. Drain waste vent DWV system. This system allows waste to be removed efficiently while preventing gases from seeping into the home. Key components include traps, vents, and cleanouts. Fixture installations. Gain competency in installing sinks, toilets, and faucets. Emphasis on fixture types and installation standards. Consider watching an introductory video demonstrating the layout of plumbing systems in a typical house to reinforce this section. 2. Essential tools for plumbers. No plumber is complete without their trusty toolkit. Here, we outline the must-have tools for any plumbing job. Pipe wrenches used for gripping and turning pipes. It's crucial to select the right size for the job. Plumber's tape, also known as Teflon tape, it's used for sealing pipe threads to prevent leaks. Screwdrivers, essential for working with fixtures and fittings. Plunger, a fundamental tool for clearing blockages in toilets and drains. For a visual guide on tool usage, refer to a photo slideshow showcasing each essential tool and its application. 3. Diagnosing common plumbing problems. The ability to quickly identify and fix common plumbing issues can save both time and money. Here are some frequent problems and their solutions. Leaky faucets, often caused by worn washers or O-rings. Understand how to replace these components effectively. Clogged drains. Learn techniques for unclogging sinks and tubs safely, including the use of chemical agents and mechanical snaking. Running toilets. Identify issues with the flapper valve or float arm that can cause continuous running. Low water pressure. Explore the causes such as sediment buildup or piping issues. 4. Ensuring safety in plumbing work. Safety is paramount in any plumbing job. Here are key safety procedures to observe. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Always wear gloves, goggles, and appropriate clothing to prevent injury. Proper lifting techniques. Avoid back injuries by lifting heavy objects using your legs, not your back.
Plumbing materials. Understand how to handle chemicals safely and dispose of them correctly. Electrical safety. Be cautious around electrical components when working with water systems. Viewing instructional videos on safety practices is strongly recommended to enhance your understanding and ensure adherence to safety standards. 5. Advanced plumbing techniques for plumbers looking to take their skills to the next level. Advanced techniques are essential. Piping layouts. Master the art of designing efficient piping layouts that minimize water wastage and improve flow. Soldering and welding. Develop expertise in joining metal pipes securely. Troubleshooting high-tech fixtures. Stay updated on smart plumbing technologies and learn how to troubleshoot digital fixtures. 6. Effective communication and customer service. In addition to technical skills, effective communication is crucial for any plumber. Follow these tips to improve your interaction with clients. Listening skills. Pay close attention to customer concerns before proceeding with a plan. Clear explanations. Use simple language to explain your service, outlining the cause of the problem and proposed solutions. Professionalism. Be punctual, polite, and maintain a tidy workspace to earn trust and satisfaction. Summary and summary. This lesson has covered the foundational skills necessary for a professional plumber. We've explored plumbing systems, essential tools, common problem diagnosis, safety protocols, advanced techniques, and effective communication. Each aspect contributes to building a well-rounded skill set that ensures successful plumbing operations. As you continue learning, practice these skills regularly to enhance proficiency and keep up to date with industry advancements. Thank you for staying at the end of this lesson. We hope to have you in the next lesson. Happy learning!